Hey, beautiful people. Today, I want to talk about something that affects all of us at some point in our lives, and that is confidence killers. These sneaky little thoughts or situations that make us doubt ourselves and dim our sparkle. But fear not, because I've just got the thing to combat those confidence killers. Legend makers. Picture this. You are going about your day feeling on the top of the world, and then bam! Someone says something that knocks you down a few pegs, or maybe you look in the mirror and suddenly all you see are flaws. We have been there. But here is the thing, those confidence killers don't define us. We are so much more than our insecurities and thoughts. That's where legend makers come in. They are like your personal cheerleaders, empowering you to embrace your true self and own your true worth. They remind you of all the incredible things that you have achieved and all the amazing qualities that make you who you are. Legend makers don't just boost your confidence, they ignite a fire within you that can't be extinguished. So, the next time a confidence killer comes knocking you don't remember this. You are a legend in the making. You have the power to rise above the negativity and shine brighter than ever before. Embrace your uniqueness, celebrate your strengths, and don't let anyone dull your shine. Legend Makers is not just a product, it's a movement. It's about inspiring confidence, spreading positivity, and empowering you to be the best version of yourselves. Because when you believe in yourself and your abilities, there is nothing you can't achieve. So, I invite schools and communities to send in their children. Let's silence those inner critics, banish those doubts, and step into the greatness that every child truly deserves to. Remember, you are a legend in the making. Believe it, own it, and let your light shine bright for the world to see. Thank you for watching, and here is to embracing our inner legends. Legend makers, Narendra Gupta. Thank you so much.